Okay, we have to solve simultaneously. 4 raised to the power y plus 2 equals to 2 times root 2 over 8 raised to the power x. Then second equation, 4x plus 5y is equals to minus 8. Alright, so we have to solve for this equation. We have to make it to be like this. Alright, so solving for this now, um, we have we have two twos, like we have 2 times 2. 2 times 2 will give us 4. That's 2 raised to the power 2. Alright, when you're solving indices, is preferably to make all the numbers equal so that you can apply your laws of indices easier. It's easier to apply a lot of indices um when you make everything equal. So now, um having this, we have 2 raised to the power 2 bracket y plus 2. Alright, then at this part we're having 2 times 2 raised to the power 1 over 2 over, now this 8, we have 2 raised to the power 3 will give us 8, which is 2 times 2 times 2. Right, so we're having 2 raised to the power 3x. So what's the next thing we do in this case? Now we have 2 times y. 2 times y will give us 2y. So um 2 raised to the power 2y plus 2 times 2 will give us 4. This is equals to, now from our law of indices, when you're having two the same numbers multiplying each other, you plus the powers, right? So we're having 2 raised to the power 1 plus 1 over 2, right? Then when you're having a division, when you're having two the same numbers dividing each other, you subtract the powers, right? So we're having minus 3x, all right? So what do we do in this case? These two can cancel out, right? So 2 canceling out 2, we're having 2y plus 4 is equals to 1 plus 1 over 2 minus 3x. So what do we do in this case now? Let's call it like terms. Let this number with alphabets make this other one. Alright, so we're having 2y plus 3x is equals to, then this 4 will meet, come to this other side. Then we're having 1 plus 1 over 2 minus 4 over 1. So what do we do in this case now? Let's um let's take the LCM of these numbers. Taking the LCM, having 2 there. Definitely the LCM of 1, 2, and 1 is 2. Alright, so 1 into 2, that's 2. 2 times 1, that's 2, plus 2 into 2, that's 1. 1 times 1, that's 1, minus 1 into 2, that's 2. 2 times 4, that's 8. So we're having 2y plus 3x is equals to, now 2 plus 3, that 2 plus 1, that's 3. 3 minus 8, that's minus 5 over 2. Alright, and this is our equation 2. This is our equation 1. Alright, so writing down the two equations, we're having 4x plus 5y is equals to minus 8, equation 1, and 2y plus 3x is equals to minus 5 over 2. And this is our equation 2. Alright, looking at this now, we're having um two equations, and we can, it's preferably to solve it using the substitution method, because of this fraction. Alright, it's preferably to avoid errors, alright, and mistakes. It's preferably to use the substitution method. So I'll go for the substitution method. So using um substitution method, substitution method, then rearranging equation 1. Let's make x subject to the formula in equation 1. So making x subject to the formula, we have 4x is equals to minus 8. This plus 5 go to the other side, it becomes minus 5y. Alright, then x becomes x is now equals to minus 8 minus 5 y over 4. All right, x is equals to minus 8 minus 5 y over 4 in this equation 2. All right, this is the equation 2, right? Yeah, so we're having 2y plus 3 brackets. Now everything in this x, we put it in this x over here. So we're having minus 8 minus 5y over 4 brackets, or close bracket equals to minus 5 over 2. Okay, let's open the brackets. We're having plus the 3 times 8. 3 times 8, that's minus 24. Alright, 3 times 5, that's minus 15y over 4 equals to minus 5 over 2. Okay, so opening the bracket now, we're having plus times minus, that's minus. So we're having minus 24. Plus times minus is minus 15y over 4 is equals to minus 5 over 2. So what do we do in this case? We look for the LCM of this fraction over here. So 1 into 4, that's 4. 4 times 2, that's 8y minus 4 into 4, that's 1. 1 times this one is 24 minus 15y equals to minus 5 over 2. Alright, so what do we do next? So we'll do 8 minus 15. 8 minus 15, that should give us minus 7. So we're having minus 7y minus 24 over 4 is equals to minus 5 over 2. Alright, so cross multiply. We cross multiply. So when we cross multiply, we're having minus 5 times 4 is equals to 2 bracket minus 7y minus 24. So minus 5 times 4, this is minus 20 is equals to 2 times 7, this is minus 14y. Then 2 times minus 24, this is minus 48. Okay, so what do we do here? We collect like terms. Collect like terms. When you collect like terms now, you'll be having minus 20 plus 48 is equals to minus 14y. Right? Yes. So minus 20 plus 48, that's 28. So we're having minus 14y is equals to 28. So we're having, when you divide both sides, divide both sides by 14, by 14, which is the coefficient of y. So we're having minus 14y over 14 is equals to let's divide both sides by minus 14 is equals to 28 over minus 14. So minus 14 plus minus 14, we have y is equals to 28 over minus 14. Right, so 2 into 28, that's 14. 2 into 14, that's 7 minus 7. 2 into okay, 2 cannot go, let's use 7. 7 into 14, that's 2. 7 here, that's 1. So we're having y is equals to minus 2. Okay, so okay, so substituting y is equals to minus 2 in equation 1, which is this. Alright, so we're having 4x plus 5 bracket minus 2 is equals to minus 8. 4x minus 5 times 2, that's 10 minus 10 equals to minus 8. So we're having 4x is equals to minus 8 plus 10. 4x is equals to 2. So x is equals to 2 over 4. When you divide both side by 4. Alright, so 2 into 4, that's 2. 2 into 2, that's 1. So having x is equals to 1 over 2. And this is the answer So therefore x is equals to 1 over 2 and y is equals to minus 2.